Power of a power. To compute the power of a power, one just has to multiply the exponents. For example, 8 squared to the power of 3. In here, we can use the previously stated definition of powers. By doing this, we have 8 times 8, that is 8 squared, multiplied by itself 3 times. Now, we just have to count how many 8s we have here, and that would be 6, also verified by the property of the product of powers with the same base, resulting in 8 to the power of 6. Now, for instance, x to the power of 67 to the power of 85. It is more convenient to use directly the property of the power of a power, otherwise we would have to count a lot of x's. Having then x to the power of 67 multiplying by 85, that will result in x to the power of 5695.